Hey everyone, welcome back to TrulyAlexus. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Like I said before, if you're new here, welcome. I'm Alexus, aka TrulyAlexus. Make sure that you subscribe down below, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment as well. Alright, so today we're going to get into a Skims unboxing. This was my first time ordering from Skims. I ordered 2 items. I ordered them actually a month ago. I'm a little ashamed that I'm just now doing this video, but the shipping was very fast. I ordered them on October 7th and I got them within like 3 or 4 days, honestly, and this was just like the regular ground shipping. So let's get into the video. Alright, so this is how the box looks. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I posted this and said a video was coming soon, and I looked at the top, so this is how it looks. Okay, so this is how the box looks whenever you open it. It just says Skims here. Alright, and then it has a receipt. So I ordered the waffle legging in a mineral, that's the color, in a size medium. And the brushed waffle scoop bra in mineral as well, in a size small. And I spent $97.20, I think, with tax and shipping. So yeah, shipping was fairly fast. I don't even know if these fit yet, and I've already had them for a month. So let me look at this return policy. Let me see. Ooh. Within 30 days of the order. Okay, so if these do not fit, oh well, I guess. So yeah, the box is really cute. Let me show y'all again. So it just has pictures of models wearing Skims. Very, very cute thumbnail. Alright, yeah, so that is what the inside looks like. So I'm just gonna open this here. Alright, and they came in 2 separate packaging. So it just says Skims. I am not plastic. I am compostable, made from plants. I will biodegrade in your home compost and in an industrial compost facility. Okay. Alright, so this is the scoop bra in mineral. The train. Again. But you already know. If you are here often, you know I live by a train. So if you're new here, excuse that. Anyway, this is the mineral scoop bra. Oh, this is smaller than I thought, but I have a really small chest, so should be okay. I love this color. There was like a sandy color, but it had sold out so fast. So I just ended up getting this because they only have this or black. And then this is what the tag looks like. It just says Skims. And then, yeah, $32 originally. Very soft, very cute. I will be trying this on with outfits, so y'all will see this how it looks on. Very stretchy, very good material. Alright, so same thing with the leggings. Something always happens. Same thing with the leggings. Same bag. Alright. Ooh, I'm gonna love these. I can already tell. I didn't know whether I should get a small or a medium, so we'll see how they fit. They seem really long. But here lately, I've been fitting into mediums better than smalls. I'm getting thick. Okay? What DJ Charles say? Anyway. Yes, these are a medium, like I said, and they're originally $58. So together, that means like 97 something, if y'all can do the math. But yeah, this is just the back, a seam, and then the front. Y'all know how it looks, I'm sure. So yeah, same material as the scoop neck. I'm loving what I see so far. Let's try these on. I'm gonna give y'all, I think, 3 looks. It might be more because I have a lot sitting over there on my clothing rack. I'm trying to think. But yes, let's get into the looks. So starting out, I did want to give a quick overview of what the outfit looks like without anything paired with it. I do love it. It fits good, but in the front, the pants are a little baggy, but that's okay. They are full length, and I just love the way this feels and looks. As for this next outfit, we're just keeping it casual cute with a pair of casual, nice, chunky sneakers and a denim jacket. For the next outfit, we are keeping it super cozy with a nice cardigan and some black Uggs. Y'all don't mind me, I was feeling myself. I got a new tripod with a remote, so I'm lit. With this next fit, I definitely feel I'm giving off Kim K vibes. Got the Skims, got a clear heel, and a nice jacket. This next outfit is giving night out. This last look has a monochromatic feel. I'm wearing a double zip top as a cardigan and these heels from Eagle Official. The last pair was from there as well. They're having a sale, so check it out. Alright, True Gang, that is all for this video. I hope y'all love the looks. I hope I gave y'all some styling inspiration. And I tried to pick pieces that were most likely in all of y'all's wardrobe, like a denim jacket, a leather jacket, cute pair of heels, a cardigan. And I know that shirt is very trendy, so most of y'all probably have it already. So yeah, I hope that this just gave you some ideas for your future looks. Definitely purchase some Skims if they've been on your radar. Definitely get on there and be the first person on the site if you want to get some, because they do sell out very quickly. But yeah, I had so much fun making this video. Make sure that you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below of your favorite look, and I'll see you on the next video.